People often ask, who heals the healer? The truth is, healers need healing too. We spend so much time pouring into others, holding space, offering guidance, and caring for our families, and helping people return to themselves. But sometimes we forget to pour the same healing energy back into ourselves. Today I came to Central Park to reconnect with myself, release what I have been carrying, and allow nature to hold space for me. This is one of the ways I heal myself. I began by placing my bare feet into the grass. I noticed the ground beneath me, the wind moving through the trees, and the sounds of nature surrounding me. I imagined roots growing from the bottom of my feet and traveling deep into the earth. I am grounded, I am supported, I am present. With every breath, I release pressure, fear, and the belief that I must always be strong. As I begin Self-Reiki, I invite healing energy to flow through me for my highest and my greatest good. My hands move from my crown to my forehead, throat, heart, stomach, and lower body. At my crown, I welcome divine guidance. At my third eye, I quiet the mental noise and trust my inner wisdom. At my throat, I honor my voice and give myself permission to speak my truth. At my heart, I offer myself the same compassion I freely give to others. At my solar plex, I call energy and my personal power back to me. At my lower abdomen, I honor my emotions, creativity, and sacred feminine energy. At my root, I remind myself that I am safe, protected, and grounded within myself. Then I begin my Qi Gong tapping. I gently tap underneath my arms, along my forearms, down my body, and behind my knees. The rhythmic movement awakens my body and helps shift energy that may feel heavy or stagnant. Every tap says, I'm here. Every movement says, you are allowed to release. I shake my hands, my arms, shoulders, and legs, allowing movement to reach the places that words cannot. This is why alchemy and movement go hand in hand. Transformation is not only something we think about, it is something we experience through the body. As I sweep my hands towards the grass, I release the energy. I am ready to surrender. I give it back to the earth to be transformed. Then I rise my hands towards the trees and open myself to receive. I receive peace, I receive clarity, I receive strength. I speak to the trees and listen to the wind. Nature reminds me that everything moves in cycles. The trees release the leaves that no longer need. The earth does not rush a seed before it is ready to grow. Nature never apologizes for resting during a quiet season. As I complete my practice, I bring my hands back to my heart. I thank the earth for supporting me, the trees for witnessing me, Reiki for flowing through me, and my body for carrying me through every version of myself. Who heals the healers? Sometimes the healer must pause. Sometimes the healer must return to nature. I'm sending you guys major love and light. If this video resonated with you in any shape, way, or form, hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and share. Again, my name is Reiki Master Level 3, owner and founder of Anjali Soul Sense LLC, holistic spiritual aromatherapy shop. Okay, where you can find all your spiritual tools, candles, crystals, sage, rituals, detoxes, wound care, and so much more. I love you. Thank you all for rocking with me as long as you have been. I'm still getting used to recording and doing voiceovers, so I know sooner or later my voiceovers will link up with the actual